what's up? I'm Arianna Jonae, and today I'm going to show you why double cleansing is the best way to remove all of your makeup. Double cleansing cleanses deeper inside of your pores and gets everything out. The first cleanser gets rid of oil and makeup, and then the second cleanser goes deep into your pores and leaves your skin nice and clean. Today I'm using the beautiful Factr Water Jam Cleansing Gel Balm, which is made with a super unique water jam formula. It feels like almost like a gel, like an aloe vera gel. It's very, very smooth. For the first step, I start with dry hands and then lather up the gel in my hand, just kind of warm it up a bit, and then I use it all over my face to melt away all my makeup. I love that it's a mild cleanser and doesn't leave my skin feeling dry and dehydrated, because that's a problem for me a lot. Now I'm gonna rinse my face. My skin already feels so good and refreshed. Ooh. Now I'm gonna go in with my second cleanser, which is just going to lather up and get the rest of the dirt and all that out of my pores. All right, guys, I am all done, and my skin feels so clean, yet still so moisturized. All of my makeup is gone, including the super hard to remove mascara. It's so easy, so simple, and fast. Thank you guys for watching.